Hey everyone, welcome to Guide on How to Check for Account Restrictions on Facebook. Let's dive right in. To begin, open the Facebook app and ensure that you're logged in. Then, locate and tap the menu button, represented by three horizontal lines positioned at the bottom right corner of the screen. Afterward, tap on your profile picture located at the top left corner of the screen. Beside the Edit Profile option, you will find three dots. Tap on them. Navigate to Profile Status from the options provided. If you see a green check mark here, it indicates that your account is free from restrictions. A green check mark signifies a healthy account, allowing you to freely post, comment, and interact on Facebook. Please note that Facebook may send notifications if there are any restrictions placed on your account. And there you have it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.